What's up everybody, CP here. Welcome back to yet another video. So great to have you here and see all of your smiling faces. Today we are talking about last data structure in Python, that is set. So what is set? Well, simply put, it is a collection. First we specify a common property among things and then we gather up all things that have common properties. For example, the item you wear, hat, shirt, jacket, pants or so on. I'm sure you could come up with at least 100. This is known as a set, or another example is type of fingers. This set includes index, middle, ring and pinky finger. So it is just a thing grouped together with a certain property in common. The structure of set looks like this. You can put values in it like 1, 2, 3 separated by comma. If I print set, then Python is going to say you have a set that contains 4 items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I add 4 again in set and run it again, then output is different, because in set duplicate element 4 is not gonna come when we run the code, because in set everything should be unique. If you want to add elements in your set, you can do that using add methods. For example, set.add 45 and I'm gonna add another number in it, add 2. If I run this, then Python is going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 45. So you might be thinking why 2 is not printed. Because in set everything should be unique, so 2 is not gonna print again. In set we have lots of methods, so let's see one by one. As you can see here, I have 2 sets on my screen. The first one is ARG and the second one is Vera. ARG and Vera are my best buds, both are gamers. ARG also has a YouTube channel. If you want gaming video for your content, then you can use those videos for free. I will put a link of that channel in the description. So back on topic, ARG likes all kind of games like battle royale and also racing games, and Vera only like battle royale games or action games. So I have to find what is the difference between ARG and Vera. So I'm gonna use difference method. For example, ARG dot difference and Vera, and let's print it out. Print using print function. If I run this, then Python is going to say the difference between ARG and Vera game is Forza Horizon Grid, F1 and Asphalt and also NFS. It is going to find the difference of the first ARG with Vera, so any duplicated between them get ignored and it only shows the difference, that is Forza Horizon Grid, F1 and Asphalt 8 and NFS. If you want to remove an element from your set, you can do that using discard. For example, ARG dot discard GTA 5 and let's print out ARG. If I run this, you can see here the GTA 5 is removed successfully. The next method is difference update. So what it does is that remove all the elements of the another set from this set. For example, ARG dot difference update Vera, and I'm gonna print ARG. And if I run this, then Python is going to say Grid, F1, FS, Forza Horizon and Asphalt 9. The differences are removed and it is also get modified. You might be thinking what is the difference between difference and difference update? When we use difference, it is going to find the difference of the first ARG with Vera, so any duplicate between them gets ignored and it only shows the difference, that is Grid, Forza Horizon, F1, NFS and Asphalt 9. And when we use difference update, let's print out the arg, and if I run this again, then you can see here the output is same, but the arg set got modified. I know it sounds confusing. Let's print out arg here, then you will get this, what is happening here. So you can see here, when the difference method operation is finished and we print out arg, the list is as it is, and when we use difference update method, the list got modified. It only contained Forza Horizon NFS F1 grid and Asphalt 9 in it, so the difference got removed from the set arg. The next method is intersection. So what intersection does is that it just has intersection with something else. For example, print arg dot intersection with Vira. If I run this, then Python is going to say the intersection between them is Apex Legend, PUBG, Doom, Dota, Tomb Raider, Fortnite, COD and GTA 5. That's the intersection between Vira and arg, the common things. The next method is disjoint. Is disjoint means this set has nothing in common. For example, print arg dot is disjoint Vira. If I run this, then Python is going to say false, because in these two sets we have lots of common things like the action games and battle royale games like GTA, COD, PUBG, Fortnite and Dota. That's why the answer is false. The next method is union. Union just unites this set together but removes the duplicates. For example, print arg dot union Vira. If I run this, then you can see here the all elements that present in arg and Vira got combined, but the duplicate item are got removed, and it is also returns the new set for us. You can do the same thing using this key. If I run this, then you can see here the output is same. And if I run this, then Python is going to tell us what is the intersection between arg and Vira. Okay, the next method is subset. In subset, it checks the first set is subset of second set. For example, print subset of Vira. If I run this, then Python is going to say false, because arg is not subset of Vira. But if I switch the place of Vira and arg like this, and if I run this again, then output is true, because all the elements are present in Vira that are also present in arg. That's why it is a subset of Vira. And the last method is superset. Each superset checks the given sets are superset or not. For example, print arg dot is superset of Vira. If I run this, then Python is going to say true, because arg is superset of Vira. So that's kind of stuff you can do with a set methods. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, smash the subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.